Is this something that worries you? What's going to be your game plan?
Kasi puro disinformation naman ng gobyerno tungkol dyan sa Red Notice Alert. They make it appear that na parang it's an international warrant of arrest.
May update tayo sa status ni Madam Harry Roque, kung butanding pa rin ba siya o isa ng puganteng butanding. But kidding aside, hindi raw worried ang ating pambansang Mimang Butanding tungkol sa cancellation ng kanyang passport at sa Interpol Red Notice request laban sa kanya.
Yeah, it's not something that will override my right as an asylum seeker in Europe.
Ayon sa kanya, may asylum request daw siya, kaya immune siya sa kahit anong extradition or deportation.
Sir, you're having applied for asylum in Europe. Does that grant the asylum seeker absolute immunity from I don't know, from deportation,
Prosecution, deportation, extradition.
or extradition to the home country?
Yes, in general, unless you're accused of, say, terrorism or but if it's an ordinary crime, even if it's heinous, no, it will not override my right as an asylum seeker.
Ibig sabihin, malinaw na ginagamit lang ni Mima ang malaking kalokohan na politically persecuted siya dito sa Pilipinas para makapag-apply ng asylum sa Europe. Ang taba talaga ng utak ng butanding na to.
The overarching argument that you're trying to make is that you can't be repatriated back to your home country because of political persecution. How are you proving the political persecution part of it?
Kaya medyo naimbierna ang ating main character na mukhang may sariling delulu world nang tanungin kung paano niya pinapatunayan ang political persecution niya.
Ako naman, kayo naman, how am I proving it? Obvious naman. When you are charged in court for a non-bailable case simply because you were doing your job as a lawyer, that's what you call anti-usual. No? Both days, because I was a part of the 70th Congress and my colleagues are there, have told me, kaya ako pinupulbos dahil dyan sa pulveronic video which they attribute to me and which they have filed charges for incitement to sedition against me and a disbarment charge. No? So lahat yan, it's easy to prove.
Well, Mima, umuwi ka na lang at sa local court mo na lang i-explain yan. Papa Polo Martinez, that Borta spokesperson ng DOJ is waiting for you, 'di ba?